bridge work for June just got a rotational bridge. So the basic version beyond the knees, and just coming in here, hands together, knees a bit apart, reaching up, rotating, and the other side, doing that for a full minute. To make it harder, you go to the toes, keep the feet a little bit apart, press up, looking up, control, keep those lower abs engaged, control two, really pushing through. You can make it harder, turn the hands around so you're working on that rotational bridge, wrist strengthening, like that. And that elbow lockout, controlling, trying to get that nice strength through there, laterally, anteriorly and laterally on the opposite side. Then for the rotational bridge on the ground, back for the posterior chain, just lowering down the legs to one side, and control, come back. Can straighten the legs to make that heavier, keeping both shoulder blades down. Will be a bit harder to get the same range of motion. Strengthen, come back. 3 sets of that, 6 minutes. That should get you sorted. But remember, keep good form and don't force it too much with the core work. You're really trying to get that tissue tolerance through those fibers at a lower threshold, not trying to max out. Just want that low level strength to build so that way you've got more postural endurance, and that's always there to protect you when you're doing heavier movements and doing stuff that loads and challenges the kinetic chain a lot harder. So get it done once a week, bridge work, it's well worth it.